Here's a question. What does your school have in common with a cell? It sounds strange, right? But once you see the connection, you'll remember the parts of the cell so easily you'll never forget them again. When I started learning about cells, I always mixed up the names nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm. It just wouldn't stay in my head. That's when I thought, what if I connect them to something I know really well? And what do I know better than my school? So let's go step by step. Imagine you're walking through your school. Every place you see will represent a part of the cell. Ready? Let's begin our school tour. The nucleus is like the principal's office. Just like the principal takes all the big decisions and manages the school, the nucleus controls all the activities of the cell. It's also the place where important information is stored, just like the principal keeps all the school's important records and rules. Next, the mitochondria. These are called the powerhouse of the cells because they provide energy. Think of them as school's battery or generator. Without them, nothing in the school would work. In the same way, without mitochondria, the cell would have no energy to do its job. Now imagine the school playground. It's the open space where all the students move around freely. The cytoplasm is just like that. It's the fluid inside the cell where all the organelles float around and interact with each other. Without the cytoplasm, nothing would have space to move or function. If you look around your school, you'll notice the boundary wall. It keeps the school safe and gives it a clear shape. Similarly, plant cells have the cell wall. It's a tough, rigid layer that protects the cell and gives it strength and shape. Animal cells don't have this, only plant cells do. Now think about the school gate. Not everyone can just walk in, right? The gatekeeper allows only students, teachers, or visitors with permission. That's exactly what the cell membrane does. It controls what enters and leaves the cell, like food, water, or waste. Finally, the vacuole. Picture the storage room of your school. All the extra chairs, supplies, or materials that aren't needed immediately are stored there. Similarly, the vacuole stores food, water, and waste until the cell needs it. In plant cells, the vacuole is really large, while in animal cells, it's usually smaller. So, let's quickly walk through the school again. The nucleus is the principal's office, the mitochondria are the batteries, the cytoplasm is the playground, the cell wall is the boundary wall, the cell membrane is the school gate, and the vacuole is the storage room. Easy, right? So, the answer is your school and a cell have a lot in common, and by linking them together, you can remember all the important parts of the cell without memorizing. Try this trick next time you revise, and you'll see how well it works. If you want me to make similar memory hacks for history or civics, tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy study tricks.